Good morning, children. Today we are discussing class 3, chapter 6, division, page number 52. Do this one. Question number 1. Write division facts. First question. 5 6 are 30. What is the question? First of all, write division facts. We have to write the division facts. First one is 5 6 are 30. This is one of the multiplication fact. This is fact only, no. 5 6 are 30. This is multiplication fact. For this multiplication fact, we have to write the division facts. See here, 30. First I have written the 30. This is multiplication fact. For this multiplication fact, we have to write two division facts. For every multiplication fact, there are two division facts. Okay. First I am writing 30. With these 30, if I am dividing with the 6, we are getting 5. Suppose 30 divided by 6 equal to 6. 5 is 30 only, no. What we are getting here? 30 divided by 6 equal to 5. I got 5 now. So equal to 5. Same as 30 divided by 5. If I divided by 5 also, 30 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30. We are getting 6 only now. Yes. 30 divided by 5 equal to 6. Right. Same as next question. Next question is 6 into 11 equal to 66. For this multiplication fact, we have to write the division facts. Okay. 66 first I have written here, divided by 11 equal to 6. 11 6 is 66 only, no. That's why we are getting the 6 here. Okay. Next one. For same as we have to take the 66 divided by, first I have divided with the 11, we are getting 6. After that I have divided with the 6, we are getting 11. Okay. How many division facts are there for this multiplication facts? 2 are there. That is 66 divided by 11 equal to 6. And the next one is 66 divided by 6 equal to 11. Next question, see. 8 4 is 32. 8 into 4 equal to 32. This is the multiplication fact. For this multiplication fact, we have to write two division facts. 32 first I have written here, divided by 8. 32 divided by 8 equal to 4. 8 4 is 32 only, no. That's why we are getting the 4. Okay. See here, 32 divided by 8 equal to 8 4 is 32. Okay, we are getting 4. Same as if I divided with the 4 also. First I have divided with the 8. After that I have divided with the 4. We are getting the 4. After that we are getting the 8. For this multiplication fact, we have two division facts. Okay. Next one, 7 5 is 35. 7 5 is 35. First I have written the 35. With 35, if you are dividing with the 5 equal to, we are getting the 7. 5 7 is 35. No, that's why we are getting 7. Okay. Next one. For these 35, we are dividing with the 7. We are getting 5. Okay. Next one. Write multiplication facts for the following. Just now we have written with the, for multiplication fact, we have written the two division facts. Now here we are, for division facts, we have to write the two multiplication facts. Okay. Now first question, 36 divided by 9 equal to 4. 36 divided by 9 equal to 4. Okay. 4. So what we have to write for this? 4 into 9 equal to 36. 4 into 9 equal to 36. 4 9 is 36. Okay. Next one. 9 I am writing here. 9 into 4 equal to 36. 4 into 9 equal to 36. Next one. 9 into 4 equal to 36. Okay. Next one. B. 72 divided by 8 equal to 9. This is the division fact. For this division fact, we have to write the multiplication facts. Okay. 9 into 8 equal to 72. RS I can write first 8 also. RS I can write 9 also. Okay. 8 into 9 equal to 72. We are getting 72 now? Yes. Next one, 9 into 8 equal to 72. Okay. Next question. C. 12 divided by 6 equal to 2. First I can write 6 also. RS I can write 2 also. 2 into 6 equal to 12. 12 we get RS. 6 into 2 also we get 12. That one I am writing here. 6 into 2 equal to 12, or 2 into 6 equal to 12. Okay. Next question. D. 48 divided by 6 equal to 8. First I am writing here 6 into 8 equal to 48, or else 8 into 6 equal to 48. Okay. So what we understand here, one note I have given here. For every multiplication fact, there are two division facts. Okay. Next one. For every division fact, there are two multiplication facts. Okay, children.